Hi and welcome to Galvanic Isolation Made Easy. By now everyone realises the need to isolate your boat whilst using main shore power connections. Leaving your power lead connected increases corrosion of anodes, skin fittings, shafts, props and outdrives and even metal hulls. Obviously we need to isolate vessels from each other and from pontoons to limit corrosion and to stop other vessels from using your anodes. Safeshore realise many people are apprehensive when electrical modification is required. Our latest isolator offers the solution. Simply insert the isolator into the shore power mains lead. This can be done in the vessel itself or on the shore power pedestal. Safeshore inline isolator is fitted with our heavy-duty 70 amp isolator and UK plug and socket. The enclosure is waterproof to IP56 and the unit is suitable for use with standard UK and European shore power supplies. Thank you for watching this short video. If you require further help or advice on marine galvanic isolation, please visit our website www.safeshoremarine.com, or for technical help or to request a free information pack, please telephone 01977 513 607. Thank you.